Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID and make sure note syncing is enabled. This ensures your content appears across devices. Once done, open the Notes app on your device or visit iCloud. Com and click Notes. Make sure you're in the correct account if you have multiple Apple ID. If sync is fresh, give it a minute. Changes propagate from the local copy to iCloud. Now locate the folders list so you can begin searching within the right container. Next, use the search field at the top and type precise keywords, a date, or even file names. iCloud searches note text, titles, and attachments. You can switch folders to narrow results. Try recently deleted if you suspect loss, or the attachments view to find photos and PDFs. On desktop, sort and expand results for context so you don't miss similarly named notes. If results are sparse, broaden terms and check other linked Apple ID or devices where the note might. To finish, recover any accidentally deleted note from recently deleted within 30 days or restore from a backup if needed. Then export or share via the share sheet to save a copy offline. If notes still don't appear, verify iCloud system status and that your device has enough iCloud storage. Make sure Notes toggles are on for the correct account. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of iCloud and sign back in after backing up, as that often forces a full resync and resolves stubborn missing notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.